In this video, I'll be showing you how you can find your Dogecoin wallet address on Binance. It is super easy to find. So the first thing you need to do is go up to Binance.com and log in with your account like usual. Then from here, you need to go up to the right corner to choose deposit, this little yellow square here. Click on this and click deposit crypto. Then from here, you can select your coin, and I can just click in Dogecoin like so. Then you need to select the network, and that is very, very important that you choose the right network, or else your Dogecoin is not gonna be ending up in your exact wallet. So you should definitely check that. But mine is this Doge here, and as you can see now, no Dogecoin deposit address, and now I can get an address if I want to do that. And as you can see here, now my personal deposit address has been created, and I can click over here to copy it and paste it and send it to my friends and family and whoever who owns these Dogecoin and whatever. Really, that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!